Hey everyone, it's Liam here from Jackpine, and today we're excited to introduce our limited edition Canada is Not For Sale structured cap, fully crafted right here in Canada. Now these hats in particular each feature soft brushed cotton fabric, the same material used for Team Canada's 2010 Vancouver Winter Olympic uniforms. When we were making this batch of hats, we wanted to bring something really special to Canadians and to our customers, and we just thought that was such a cool detail. So each of these hats feature an exclusive Jackpine custom 6-panel structured A-frame design. Each cap features a strong peak with durable buckram panels. So if you flip the hat over, you'll see on the inside two sort of white rigid style fabrics that are on the inside, and that helps the hat stand up and gives it that cool, strong look. The hats feature adjustable snapback closures for a snug, perfect fit. 4 precision embroidery hits featuring our brand Canada is Not For Sale. You'll just see and love the detail there. And really, really awesome, on the inside of each of these hats, you'll see they're labeled with our signature Canada is Not For Sale and Made in Canada tags/labels that we have been making with a company back here in Ontario. Believe it or not, it's taken over 30 Canadian companies, most based here in Ontario, to bring this hat to life and to bring these products to Canadians coast to coast to coast. So this Canada Day, we're really kind of realizing that these hats are more than just headwear. They symbolize our economy, our unity, our pride, and our stand for our collective national sovereignty. Happy Canada Day 2025 from all of us here at Canada is Not For Sale. Have a wonderful day.